The distal is one of those hitches that a lot of people tie early on in their career. It's easy to tie, it's easy to remember because it's based off of a clove hitch. So using our eye to eye, we're going to go starting in front of our host rope, right to left underneath. That gives us one wrap. Bring our rope up. That gives us the X that the clove hitch is identifiable for. And then the end that we've been tying this with is going to go around our host rope and through this hole, suck that down. That gives us a clove hitch. Now, in order to make a distal out of this, I'm going to take this and I'm going to go with additional wraps on top of our first coil or beneath our first coil that went up the rope. We're going to go through here and get at least 4 out of this. So here is a traditional distal. This gives us 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps on top and 1 on the bottom. Now, if you'd like to change this over to a cow hitch, we're going to do it with the bottom wrap. Notice that it's behind our rope. We're going to go ahead and take it, change directions, and go in front and then behind the rope. And now the tail will exit on the same side, giving us a swabish.